Same with cabin airs, because I don't want them going home and changing them. So it's not a loss leader, but it helps the oil change guy get 20, 30, 40, $50 more. So instead of, us making $4 on an oil change, now we can make 25, $30. So it makes it a little bit easier. We give him an hour to do it. So that and a tire rotation, is like another $25. So most of the techs hate doing oil changes, not their favorite thing to do. So I look at the schedule and I try to schedule cars that haven't been in here before, that are a little bit older. That's the cars that go to my, techs.
Yep.
The 2021, 2022, yeah, that's going to my oil change guy. We just had it in 3,000 miles ago. It didn't need nothing. That's the thing that's going to the oil change guy. So it helps to not lose as much